Okay, we're back again. Last time we were working through this tutorial trying to render an X window to a pix map essentially, so that we could then get the data from the pix map. The reason for this is that if you try to get pix map data from a window that's unmapped, X doesn't have to have that data. So if you ask for it, you don't get anything useful back. In fact, it maybe fails. I can't remember what ended up happening, whether we got a match error because the window was unmapped or whether we just got back bogus data. But it doesn't work. So we want to force X to regenerate that data by rendering it to a pix map, which we're trying to do here. So we're creating a picture from a pix map and we're creating one from a window and we're trying to composite the two together. Well, essentially just copy them, but trying to composite them. And currently it's not working, but I found this blog post or tutorial, whichever, where someone does apparently the same thing. So we're going to try to copy what they do. Anyway, let's get into it. Yes, I have accidentally cut my finger, probably the most important finger I have for typing, so we might be going a bit slower today. Alright, so sub-window mode, question marks. Let's actually get open user x11, include xcb, and we want, is it just render? Yeah, render. Okay, so what is this supposed to do? Responding to these errors is quite complex. Okay. Okay. I certainly do not want to do that, but thank you for telling me. All right, so we want to, what is PA here? PA is like, yeah. Right, I think that's why I didn't do it last time. Okay, let's XCB render, it's like sub window. Is this for compositing? No, create picture, right. Sub window mode. I could have just looked up here to figure that out, but anyway. Right, and then we want the value list. Do I still have that? No, it looks like I got rid of it. All right, we'll add it back in. Let's try to figure out what sub window mode is. Oh, interesting. Oh, I see. We're just telling it we set that one, and then we have to actually set it there. Alpha channel, clip mask. Where's clip mask? Clip mask, clip mask. When a window is used as a destination, which we're not doing, sub window mode determines what happens to pixels obscured by inferior windows. For clip by children, the window is clipped by inferiors. For include inferior, the window is clipped by siblings, but not by inferiors. I don't want either of those. I'm also not using a window as a destination. Oh, here we go. When a window is used as a source or mask, the sub-window mode is ignored. Okay. Oh, pixels that are obscured by other windows, whether siblings or inferiors, have undefined contents. Great. Ugh. Okay, that kind of Makes this a waste of time. That was kind of the whole point of why we were doing this, to try to make it defined. I don't know if there's a way to do this. I mean, we got something working before that was incredibly janky, but it did work. Yeah. All right, let's try to get this working anyway, rather than just abandoning it all. I want to see it work. That'd be kind of nice. But I won't spend too much time on it because it's a dead end for the looks of it. Yeah, we're not even up to that part yet. We're still on this part. Q Pixmap. Like, this is what I'm kind of wondering, whether you can do this with Qt. Because if so, you should be able to do it without Qt. It's managed by the underlying Windows system. Yeah, it's kind of what I expect. Well, maybe Qt gets screenshot of closed window X11. Mm. Yeah, partially obscured window will still be obscured by any snapshot. Yeah, it just uses Qt stuff though. Maybe the best I can hope for is just to hide certain windows rather than include certain windows. Well, I mean, look, I can do the include certain windows. It's just that the UX for it is kind of jank. Other focused app screenshot. I found this. That's for Windows. Good on you, Saber. Keep fighting the good fight. Yeah, no, that's what I want. I know how scroll works. At least I think I know how scroll works. Of minimized. Does this work? The solution... Does this solution work for taking screenshots of not currently visible windows? Where to find this? Okay. Does this work? Okay, well, let's take a look at it. Find visual format. That's fine. We got that, I think. Render composite. You don't know what destination. Oh, yeah. Seems like you're following the same tutorial I am. I don't think it's gonna work though. Oh well, let's carry on. That, like... I don't think this is gonna work, that's the thing. Pixels that are obscured by other windows, whether siblings or inferiors, have undefined contents. How about you draw it for me? All right, whatever. Let's do this call. I don't think it's going to make any difference, but... what do we want? We want XCB render create picture checked. Okay. Pick vowels, I guess. Oh, yeah, whatever. And then we want XCB render create picture value list t pick vowels.